Rituko ya Jumamosi jitariki 29 mutinyi komi umwaka wa 2022 karangu kware ne SMS ito ya mwana maya yechinsa ikomi edi ninkoerere na rersi oyogonkonya sensemeri yumundu bemanyerero nigakurukwa iriko semia bamenyi benseme yuguru iburwire bwa cancer.
For the last 6 years I've been battling cancer and now I am free of cancer. So today we were having a walk all the way from Nyamira Center to the Kisumu Oyugi's junction just to spread awareness of breast cancer. And October being the breast cancer awareness month, to be able to talk to people about breast cancer, to spread the awareness, tested, and if they are
Kisii Kisii County ni gachira chokorekana abori tukoregoro asegeti keskuru yabamura ya Kisii abori tukoriangyo keromnyakerobo bwekyombegia FKF orosagi rwa Kisii Jesle mbegera akoerera igoro yekemeranekyo gakorekana litko riangyo
kitimu chiko cha participate aseminiri ya mambigo chiri kitimu 12 chirote from all different parts of Kisii County. Kuru zone A kitimuinya, kuru zone B kitimuinya na kuru zone C kitimuinya. We took this position as saying in kwa team liwaga because we believe the first 4 teams in what potential yoko progress to the next level. The team to promote mambine kitimu ibere na jicho kwa ndasi regional na kuru woroto tunyara kutuara Kisii County champions. Yurende kwa nero the best team in the county. Alafu namba ibere kunyugati na echibere number 1 and 2 na jiko gandase regional league.
Bishop Joseph Mairura Korwaze Diocese ya Kisii ni gabona babolirie abakenya bonsi n'abarayigo cyamo erikora ryo murembe na kubwatania abakenya bonsi kakoya kwana UAC County ya Kakamega anekera aikirana asomoyiga bwogo chengere myaka 50 ya Reverend Viribus Met ni gabono Bishop wate abuna nerbu y'abakenya bonsi go cyamo erikogendeliense ya Kenya.
Because the elections are over. The Waheshimiwa are now our friends. Whether they are Kenya Kwanza, whether they are the other side, we don't talk about the divisions now. Tuko pamoja. Na tufanye kazi pamoja. It is like blood. If you cut my blood, it does not say Kenya Kwanza, or Kisii, or Luya. No, it says O negative, N minus, A, B. That is it. Which means we are made of the same stuff. And God loves us.
Omo Prime Cabinet Secretary Musari Mudavadi nero yuika somo jego yesenseme yu ya Kakamega imeyageti ya bukungu nero ni ganyarire kawate abuna parabupune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza mbachikwana kiuna kokorera baraba Kenya bonsi emirimo boigo nigo atebiruna ere niga chakira bokoreri anenekero libaga liokobo Prime Cabinet Secretary asense ya Kenya.
We have heard what you have said. The elections are over. Bishop Mairura is right. Let us hold hands together. Let us walk together. Let us serve the people of Kenya together and put behind us the political intrigues that come before an election. We have a common destiny to serve the people of Kenya. We have a common destiny to revive the economy of this country. And I want to assure you that is going to be our objective. I want to assure the governor of Kakamega that we shall work together with his team so that we can give service to the people in this region. Let us all be a united nation, a united people, so that we can help those who need help most urgently as we go forward.
Boigo homoyego yuno nyarako ikiranwa no mospati matakarua oibono nyaraga kobori abarai bonsi gosaba Kenya gosika rijiko anene ekatiba yo mwaka ujirubere na 10 ka kwana senseme yoni ganyaraka komotogia omo reverend Surumet ase omochango ye anyarde gakurwa ase katiba yo mwaka ujirubere na 10 matakarwa bani anyarde gakobori abakenya bonsi gochamo ende gukinia goseko ina kebunense ya Kenya gosukere kebwataine.
Na mnakumbuka tulikuwa na utofauti wa vyama vingi wa KANU na vyama vya upinzani, lakini akatuunganisha na tukatomboa kufanya sheria ambayo ilikuwa ni mwanzo msingi wa katiba mpya. Na hakuchoka, aliendelea na hizo shughuli za katiba mpaka 2010 when we got the new constitution. Kwa hivyo, he is not just a man of faith, he is also a leader who can put people together. Thank you, Bishop Sulumeti. Today we are enjoying democratic space, courtesy of that constitution. With your permission, just one more word. The way to honor him is to safeguard the gains in that constitution. We must have unity in diversity, not unity in a single party. And therefore, Governor Barasa, yes, cooperate, because you need the national government. The national government also needs you to reach the people of Kakamega. Cooperate from a position of strength, knowing hawa wananchi ndio wamekuchagua, ndio wamechagua kila mtu Kenya.
Homojano ni wendete kubwate skuru y'ubunyagitari ya Omabei ayani gagocha magiga y'umorokiwa ukagire kobabu skuru yugotoka gakwete senseme ya Omabei kolengana na birori benseme ni gobate runa Omobere bwa omnyagosiro yo no nyarago kumanyikana ase bono abibuli baye bamanyiwe igoro yogoku kwae.
Up and found the body lying there. I inquired from the public and they told me he was a student at KMTC. So in details, I found the police had recorded the name there. He is called Austin Omondi. So through my inquiry, I found the parents. The parents are from Busia. So they have been called and informed the death of their son.
Watanibe kiama National Congress ni gabano ba motogiri murai wensi Dr. William Ruto aso ikrani eira yoko muamsali mudavadi kirogo anene asekirogo gya prime cabinet secretary yibasa emereduna nacho koremeremo ya yebuya asamatuko halebosio
kama watu wa Vihiga kusherekea hii uteuzi wa Musalia Mudavadi kutuongoza kama wananchi wa Kenya.
Mimi naomba saa hii bosi yangu vile umechukua kiti, sisi tunaenda kama vijana, tutaketi na wewe, tutakaa na wewe, utusaidie sisi vijana.
Tumetembea, tumetukanwa, lakini narudishia His Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto shukrani kubwa sana.
Ekiombe kia abagavana Council of Governors amo the Institute of Human Resource Management ni gabano abaja kire kurwa maigeri ogochi asiji county awa gosaba kulimiremo beji county ase kerenga kyojo Kenya obokareri asiji county awa imeyense ya Kenya.
With the immense potential for renewable energy in Nakuru and other parts of the country, we have the opportunity in reducing cost of renewable energy technologies by making this the most viable energy source. I call upon all human resource professionals, whatever they are, to proactively develop people management systems that accommodates emerging sectors such as the renewable energy sector.
Introducing a new critical dimension in the conceptual framework of the Institute mandate as a categorized state corporation as recently espoused by the Excellency, the President in the Executive Order number 1. The President felt it good to reward on behalf IHRL to be a state corporation.
The ongoing disruptions have brought to the fore the value of HR in organization The COVID-19 pandemic remains one of the most significant disruptions of our time, and during this period, HR professionals have had an opportunity to drive change, prioritize employee health and safety, and support business development for solid continuity.
Ekiombeke mukuruasi county ya Mombasa ni gobona okiagendrete kurwa maigerio ojia saboro kia bibirasi vya ECD korengana ekiombeke ni ogia tebuna enere nchire yemo parengete gosira chisemi chekirasi kiriegeke asibono baburirichi county aho gochikwena kirango sira baro muroberio oyo eri aboro ke banyora maigerio aisaine nekero bagobeko boroso gochi asabana banyorobna ni gobata maigerio aisaine.
MESIP inafunza walimu wa chekechea. Wana train walimu ili waweze kwenda kufunza wale watoto wadogo. Kisha walimu wakimaliza wanapatiwa certificate. Na hata sasa wanafanya hiyo course inafanywa kwa ilo ya NEC. Wanafanya kwa NEC na kila mtu anakaribishwa. Muslims, Christians wote wanakaribishwa na wanafunzwa vizuri.
We are very excited about the 40 years since the inception of the program, which was in 1982 up to now. And the program has really evolved from what it was, from being community, and now we are glad that the county government is also coming in to give a hand. And we are really looking forward to partnerships, because as for the community and as a program, we can only reach very few. But I'm sure with the help of the county government coming on board, we'll be able to reach even to more children who will bring greater access to education.
Ekeroji county ya Nyamira na kianda jigendete gwakwa no mojando winjara nige serikali gendete kwena no bokonyi wechindagere gochase ensemeyo korengana no county commissioner osomo mo deputy county commissioner bwensemo ya Kiambu nigobona nyarika batabune serikali nigebegete miroberio yogojikwena na obokonyi gochi ase chinsemeyo bwego nigabodi abaremi ebechinsemeyo kwena kibuna ngorigere libare kare mbrego chikotwa banyare bagosimeka endagere rachikobakonya gochasa matko halebosio.
Manake ukiangalia katika Kiambu County, Thika East na Ndeia ndio tumeshughulikiwa wa kwanza. Imeweza kufahamika kiasi ambacho tumeadhiriwa na hali ya ukame. Na tunawaomba wananchi tafadhali hicho chakula kiweze kuwasaidia. Tukipata msaada mwingine pia tutawaita, na pia mvua ikifika hivi tuwe tumetayarisha mashamba yetu tuweze kulima sehemu ndogo ambazo tuko nazo tupate chakula kwa wakati.
Ayuna na korenia sijinse jiga korindi nyona ge koragense ya mayabona marogoba ni chokoretera ya muna mange mratona te koya sangeria kuruime na isko ya Gusii na ndingo kora mangana mayinyurana kukwirende wikasomo birori bobosera bwenga obo ko gojira kira litko ya Jumamosi ujakerense ya muna nusu kwika chinsa ibere gotoma ja kubwatia mangana maya yense ya moya marogoba ende maiko gutambuke wikasomo birori bobosera bwenga astora chikondera gukwanira ningi kegosali chinga kogendera kodigereria merobirito ya Ndizi TV nero bwansuma Gusii oyongonya sense medio munwe mayerio nigakoro kwa Joshua utoyone kiuna chibicha na mariya gochira senjera ya bene nigakoro ku Betrone Mokeira Nigeriane Brighton Makoli.